How's it going, guys? I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. My future goal is to travel around the world on my own motorcycle. I'm training every day to make that dream come true. For example, if my tire goes flat in the mountains, I have to handle it on my own. But you can't just do that right away, so I'm learning skills from many people. This time, we're going to learn how to change a tire from Sakuzo. He actually used to work in the tire business. He's a professional tire man. Normally, you'd have a bike shop handle this. So just think of this as a reference video. This time, we're changing the tire on Kirakira Boshi-chan's bike. Let's get started. This time, we're going to change the tire using this tool. Remove the tire from the bike. Put on plenty of bead cream. The key is to apply plenty of bead cream to this stepped area as well. Make sure to apply plenty of bead cream on the tire side as well. Set the tire on the machine. Use the machine to fit the bead into place. Make sure to line up the tire's alignment mark properly. Pump up the tire and that's it. We got it done in about 15 minutes. By the way, Marasan, the former factory manager, used to swap car tires using only a tire lever, without a tire changer. Right now I'm using tube tires, but I'm thinking about switching to tubeless in the future, so this was really good practice for me. Wow, look at the time. It's dinner time already. Let's call it a day. See you next time, Ninja. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.